Welcome to Current News, where we keep you informed without putting you to sleep. From the latest headlines to the quirkiest stories around the globe, we've got it all covered. So, if you're tired of the same old news grind, hit that subscribe button and never miss a beat. Hey, what's up everyone? Big news in the political world today. Former President Donald Trump has nominated Stephen Phelan to be the next Secretary of the Navy. Yep, you heard that right. This announcement dropped on November 26, 2024, and it's already stirring up quite a conversation. So, who is Stephen Phelan? Phelan is a prominent financier and a significant donor to Trump's political campaigns. He's the founder of Rugger Management LLC, a private equity firm, and the former chairman and chief investment officer who managed Michael Dell's fortune. Plus, he's on the boards of several organizations supporting troops in Ukraine and major art museums like the Whitney in New York and the Aspen Art Museum. Trump praised Phelan as a tremendous force for the Navy, aligning with his America First policies. He's confident that Phelan's financial expertise will deliver results for the Navy, especially when it comes to budget management. But not everyone is on board with this pick. Analysts and experts have mixed reactions. Some are concerned about Phelan's lack of military experience and potential conflicts of interest. Others, however, see his financial acumen as a big plus for managing the Navy's funds. Now this nomination is still up in the air. It requires Senate approval, so it's not a done deal just yet. And remember, this isn't the first time Trump's picks for Navy Secretary have made headlines. Just earlier this year, Richard V. Spencer, a former Navy Secretary, became the chairman of an Australian shipbuilder. So, what do you think? Is Phelan's financial background what the Navy needs? Or is his lack of military experience a deal-breaker? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on this and other breaking news. Catch you in the next one.